Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Hamptons. Katie Couric lives in the Hamptons, after previously residing in New York with her late husband Jay Monahan, who sadly died in 1998. Speaking to Cottages and Gardens, she explained that she is really a beach person, and that she also has lots of great friends in the area, so it made sense to move there. 15 March 2021.
Take our lead.
Meredith Vieira. Her salary of $15 million per year, which made her TV's highest-paid news anchor, reportedly remained the same. Couric said farewell to Today Show viewers on May 31, 2006. Meredith Vieira, a former co-host of Walter's daytime chatfest The View, replaced Couric on Today.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.